Packaging of food is a method of, the options are food adulteration, food preservation, food irradiation, or none of the above. So the correct answer for this question is food preservation. Food preservation is a method by which food is treated and handled to slow or stop down the food spoilage, loss of quality or nutritional value, and thus allow for longer food storage. Preservation usually involves preventing bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms from developing, as well as retarding the oxidation of rancid causing fats. Packaging food is a method of food preservation because it acts as a barrier and protects food from spoilage. Some example of packaging methods are aseptic packaging, what is made by heating a mixture of silica, sodium carbonate and limestone at high temperature. The options are glass, plastic, laminates or aluminium foil. So the correct answer for this question is glass. By heating a mixture of silica, sodium carbonate and limestone at high temperature, about 1500 degrees Celsius, results in the formation of glass, which is often called as soft glass. The glass prepared after the heating of potassium carbonate, calcium carbonate and silica at high temperature is hard glass. The packaged wafers stay strong for a long time due to, the options are oxygen gas, nitrous oxide, helium or nitrogen. So the correct answer for this question is nitrogen. Potato chips are packed in plastic bags in a nitrogen atmosphere to prevent them from being rancid or oxidized. It prevents the spoilage of potato chips. Oxygen is a very reactive and likes to combine with other molecules whenever it can, causing chemical changes which can lead to oxidation. Nitrogen, however, is a very stable and unreactive gas, and so-called nitrogen atmosphere is good for storing foods that oxidize quickly, like potato chips. Thus, the packaged wafers stay fresh for a long time due to the nitrogen gas which is flushed into the packet. The sum of all mobile packaging components or molecules released per unit area packaging material under defined condition is called, so the options are specific migration, overall migration, diffusion or non-migration. So the correct answer for this question is overall migration. Overall migration limit is the maximum permitted total amount of non-volatile substances that can migrate from a food packaging material or a food container into food. Overall migration is a gravimetric determination of all chemical substances that migrate to the stimulant. All food simulants can be used for this testing, but most commonly overall migration into distilled water is assessed. For easy identification, most plastic containers are marked with a recycling symbol containing a specific number. What is the specific number given for the low density polyethylene? So the options are number 2, 3, 4 or 7. So the correct answer for this question is number 4. 4 is the specific number given for low density polyethylene. Low density polyethylene is a thermoplastic made from the monomer ethylene. LDPE is a soft, flexible, lightweight plastic material. LDPE is noted for its low temperature flexibility, toughness and corrosion resistance. It is not suited for applications where stiffness, high temperature resistance. Number 2 is given for high density polyethylene. Number 3 is given for polyvinyl chloride, which is used in pipes, medical devices, wire and cable insulations. And number 7 is given to others.